Hello, Amber. I just figured I would tell you about this, how to make a listing in Placesetter. And so now we associated the email address ohio at leehossetter.com with this. And I will just have this email address right here forwarded to whatever email address you want me to have it forwarded to. So all your correspondence with the site goes there. So anyway, this Placesetter right here, you just click here, add listing. It's basically just fill in the blanks. We'll just use commercial sale, property type, commercial, just like that. The address, we'll just use the address here, 1280 Boardman Canfield Road, Boardman, Ohio, 44512, unit 12. County, I think this is Mahoning, United States. You can put all these other things. I'm sure that you understand a lot more than I do, and we'll just grab a picture here. But this is linked to your Placesetter account, so anything that you publish on your site is going to be linked with your Placesetter account. This is some property. Okay, and if you click Show Advanced, there's more things that you can put on there, like the lot size and whatnot. But I'm just going to go ahead and click Publish, and that's all there is to creating a listing. You could put more details in there, I'm sure. But if we go and visit the site at Real Estate Ohio, we can see that here it is, 1280 Boardman Canfield Road, number 12, and you can see the details, and it'll create the listings like that. And so over here in the right hand sidebar, let's say that you want to decorate it up a little bit. So let's go back to the dashboard, only we're going to come down here where it says widgets. We see this bar whenever we're logged in. And so let's say we want a Placesetter listing maybe right here, and we can remove this search bar because this is just to search our specific website. And I'm going to click Save for Placesetter listing, and then here's the listing quick search. Okay, so we'll just put search and click Save. Okay, so there's these different things that you can choose from over here, and drag and drop. Here's our office widget. We know that this is the one in East Palestine. So we could put the East Palestine. I'll let you go ahead and figure out how you want to do it there. But you could drag and drop, and when you drag and drop these widgets in there, you'll notice that over on the right hand side, these things will just populate. So we have, these different drop downs, just like we do on the other site. Okay, so then this is the list of the current listings and so on and so forth. And you can get rid of these if you want, leave them there. Let me go back to widgets here. And so we definitely want to leave this here. This is the links to your social media. But the meta, that's the login, log out. These are your categories. These are your archives. We could just go ahead and delete that. You could always drag and drop them if you want them in there. Okay? So when we go back here, you'll see that the archives are now gone. But it's just as simple as dragging and dropping. Now, one of the things that we were talking about before that you wanted to see is a contact form on the individual listing pages. So right here, we're on this individual listing page, and we want to see a contact. So I'm going to come up here to widgets in another tab, and replace their contact form. This is be on the single property sidebar. Okay, so I want to drag and drop this, and I want this to show up and contact us now or whatever. And we can display the property address, show subject field, and just click Save. Okay, and then when we go back to the website and let it load up, and then we come over to the single property field, or like click See Details. We see here it says request more info. So if they click on request more info, it's going to bring up the their email program. Okay, so that's one of the things that's pretty cool about this place setter. Then we see that there's the map. If you have any other questions or comments about place setter and how it works, just shoot me an email. I'll shoot you back a tutorial. But it's pretty much self-explanatory, like fill in the blanks. Thanks, bye.